Hello everyone and welcome to the very first tutorial of this brain trainer application. In the very first step, I'm going to design the XML for the activity underscore main.xml file. Okay, so let's get into Android Studio and plug this. So first of all, I'm going to set the background for this application. For that purpose, I already have downloaded an image that I'm going to implement inside this project. I have copied that image and let me copy over here the tribal folder background underscore image dot jpg. Okay, in the next step I'm going to have an image view with the match parent width and match parent height. Source would be background image, and let me set the scale type to center crop. That's it. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to set alpha. Alpha would be 0.6, and now I'm going to color file. Here I'm going to define a new color item, and this would be background underscore color, and let me change this color by clicking on this white icon, um, just like this, a little darker. Okay, now I'm moving back into activity underscore main.xml and going to set the background, that would be color and background color for this application. That's it. Next thing, I'm going to have a relative layout with the match parent width and height of wrap content. I'm going to give this relative layout ID. This would be in a relative layout top. Okay, let me close the project window. This relative layout will be used for displaying time, question, and for our score. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to get our score text view. For that purpose, I'm going to have a text view with the wrap content width and wrap content height, and I'm going to give ID. This would be timer text view. Now let me set the text for this text view. That would be a dummy value. Let me say it 30 seconds. Now I'm going to change the text color. This would be red color white. And now I'm going to set the text size. That would be 25 sp, and gravity would be center with the padding of 10 dp, and text style would be bold. Okay, now I'm going to create a border for this text view. For that purpose, I'm going to open my project window, tribal, right click on tribal, new tribal resource file, and here I'm going to create a border. Let me say it border.xml. I'm going to change the selectors first to shape, and I'm going to create a shape of type rectangle. Here first I would give stroke of with the width of 2 dp and color of right color white, and next would be corners with the radius of 6 dp. Let me close it. Now moving back into main activity, I'm going to close this and would be background of border. So let me set the margin now. Margin left would be 10 dp and margin top would be 3 dp. I'm going to align it to right, align parent left true. Okay, so similarly I'm going to have a score text view on the right side of this layout. So let me copy this. I'm going to paste just below of timer text view and going to change first the ID. This would be secure TV, and let me change this to some dummy value, and this text view will be on the right side of our screen, and let me change this to right as well. Okay, next I'm going to create a score tab that we have already created. Now I'm going to create a question tab that will display a random question. Okay, So I'm going to copy this again and pasting just below of it. Now let me change this ID to question.tv and change the question text with some dummy value. Okay, and this would be right in center of mid top in a relative layout. So I'm going to set center and parent true. And I'm going to change the margin to 0 and let me change the text to 22 sp. Okay, so we are done with our top relative layout. See you guys in the next video.